and then align it to left, and then duplicate it 16 times by pressing Ctrl D, and then select the last one and go to Align tab and click on Align Right button. And then press Ctrl A and select all layers and go to Align tab and click on Distribute Vertically. And then go to Effects and Preset panel and search for Invert. And then drag this invert effect on second layer, and then select the effect and go to edit and cut this effect, and then select the all second layer, like select 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then go to edit and click on paste. And go to project panel and select this composition and press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and double click and go inside of this composition and press Ctrl A to select all layers and press delete key to delete it. And then go to composition and click on composition setting and change the height to 1200. And drag the second text composition here. And press Ctrl D 2 times to make 2 copies. And adjust the first one to up and the second one to below by holding Shift key. And add invert effect on first and last layer and leave the middle one. And then create one more new composition. The width and height both will be 90-20, and you can change the name and then click OK. And then drag this composition here and press S and change the scale value to 75%. And then go to Effects and Preset panel and search for CC Cylinder. And then drag this effect on this layer and change the radius to 60% and click on rotation, and also click on light and change the X rotation to 30 and the Z rotation to 45. And the light height to 50, and then go to 0 frame and keyframe on rotation Y, and go to last frame and change the rotation to 4 or maybe 3 in duration. And then select the layer, go to edit and click on duplicate, and then select the duplicate layer and go to Effects Control and change the radius to 100 and change the Z rotation to 41 and change the renderer to outside and change the light height to 40%. And go to project panel and drag the second layer here and make it 3D. And if you don't see the 3D button, so press F4, then you can see the 3D button. So just click on the button to make the layer 3D, and press R and change the X rotation to -41 and change the Y rotation to -30. And then go to first frame and add a keyframe on Z rotation, and go to last frame and change to the text composition and change the text to whatever you want, and you can render it and post it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or whatever, or any platform which you are using. You can share it there, no problem, no worries. And you will get the project file of this tutorial on my Patreon page, so go there if you want project file. Otherwise, thank you so much guys for watching, and I will be catching you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.